You must be able to convert every single book to money because it is all paid. You need to list them to not only Amazon but all other platforms that you can find, that you can name. Even your trash needs to go to recycle center and you need to get paid.
In this video, we're going to go over how Sophia built a $50,000 book business per month, starting with cherry picking, but now she does bulk books and it wasn't easy. So we're going to get into her story and how she got started with all of this. So welcome to the channel, Sophia and Aaron.
Thank you. And I started to selling the books the first fall in my bookshelf in my house. So I sold my books. After that, I decided to go to Goodwill. The Goodwill is not enough. I went to half price books. The after visited couple of time half price books, it is done. You cannot find book, and you are going to library sale. So I
Estate sales then.
yeah, the estate sales and library sales. I follow everything. So like a 5 or 6 months later, it's books. It wasn't enough for me. I couldn't find the books. So you are going to Goodwill, the half price book, estate sale, garage sales, the library sales. You cannot find the library sales. The certain area you have to go to other states. It's couple time we drive 6 hours, 7 hours away, and then we stay in the hotel just for library sales. It wasn't the easy, and we decided to
Get the books to our house.
yes, go to the bulk books.
Like one mistake that booksellers are doing, and also we did, is not counting our time. So we are spending 10 hours to find like $300 worth of books, for example. And then when you send it, when you list it, when you get the money, and we are looking at, oh, it was like $10 per hour that we earned.
Yes.
It is just and I would do, in McDonald's, I would earn much more.
Yes.
It was a
Correct.
mistake that we have done,
Yes.
Yeah.
not counting our time in it.
Yeah.
So that is why we said, like, okay, instead of looking around, we should have the books. So we would just be using that. Go ahead.
When we decided to the bulk books, we did a lot of meeting with each others. We discussed, we searched, we asked everybody's, and we communicate some experienced people about this. And when you do bulk book, important first thing, you need the big space. It is garage is not enough because you are buying one truckload. It's coming 48 gaylords in one time. So how you store 48 gaylords? So okay, you find space, you put them this. How are you gonna do your recycle? Because you open the one gaylord, you are not using every single books. Maybe 10 or 20% worth it for the Amazon or other platform, but the other rest of the part, 70%, 80%, it's gonna be recycled. What are you gonna do this? So you cannot go to recycle center is the one gaylord, two gaylord at a time.
And
So
we
you
went and
have to
then
send back the full truck load recycle. Either way, you have to store them, or you don't know what are you gonna do. So this is the difficult part.
yeah, like
You need forklift, you need pallet jack, and a lot things. So we find the place and they provide everything for us, like a forklift. So by the way, I get it forklift certificate. I'm operator right now. I'm using my own forklift. So it's pallet jack. It's easy. Everybody can use, but for forklift, you need to
certification. Yeah.
certification. Right now, we are in the bigger place, so sometimes I'm missing my cherry picking days because is making bulk book is very tiring.
Like in the bulk business, like the most important is finding the sources
Yeah,
where you
resources.
will find the books. And in our case, it was pure luck. We put an ad asking for who would sell us truckload of books, and somebody replied like couple months later saying that, hey, I saw your ad, you want to have buy books. Now another thing is how you are going to trust, how you are going to know the quality, since we heard nightmare stories basically that people buys truckloads of books out of eBay, or somebody says, hey, I have a truckload, would you buy? And then it comes all trash, all scanned, all recycled books.
Yes. They
So
are selling their recycle.
yep, they are selling their recycles as truckload new unscanned books. There are so
Mhm.
many stories. You're finding that is the most important part, trying to finding a good source to have your loads. That is generally we ask the veterans and the big bulk sellers how they did it. Basically they say you need to do cold phone calls to thrift stores, to Goodwills, to talk to their managers, donation centers, and try to secure your merchandise. And at that point one, basically we are just pure luck. Somebody calls us, says, hey, I have good quality books, you want to buy it? And we were very hesitant at the first time because it wasn't cheap. So either we were throwing our money to trash or we had to take the risk, and we did it. And thanks to God, and we are so glad that we took that risk. And now we have a really great relationship with our supplier, and then they send us the merchandise, and all are I'm not gonna say like incredibly good quality, but over the average than the others.
Average. You are looking the average. The one Gaylord, it's gonna be maybe full of trash, but the
Yep,
second
second floor.
Gaylord, it's okay. Third one is perfect. The overall is okay.
Yep, average.
Yeah,
And
average.
yep, uh, just we look at the average. Like for example, a baby seller or who wants to do bulk business should all try the Gaylords and see what a Gaylord scanning is and what it means. But when they buy one Gaylord, it may be full of trash
Mhm.
Or full of
or full of
treasures.
incredibly good books. It is pure luck.
Mhm. Yep.
But
Like a gamble.
yeah, it's a kind of gamble. That's why like doing couple Gaylords or small Gaylords is just to learn what it is, how it goes. But when
Mhm.
you buy the truckload, you will be looking at the average. So like 10 Gaylords, total trash, 2 Gaylords, full of Eastern Press books.
Mhm.
So just that 2 Gaylords is much more than what you paid for the whole truck.
Yep.
Yep, it is the case of bulk business. So maybe like one truck could be full of trash, but 3 trucks that you are receiving might be full of treasure. So you need to have a good relationship with your supplier, basically, and you need to find a good suppliers and trustworthy people to do business with.
Mhm.
That is the most important part in the bulk business, and you must be able to convert every single book to money
Mhm.
because it is all paid. You need to list them to not only Amazon but all other platforms that you can find, that you can name. Even your trash needs to go to recycle center, and you need to get paid.
Mhm.
We looked for places where what should we do, and we called the recycle centers. They're all like, okay, we can come and get it, you need to pay us $300. We can get it, you need to pay us $1,000. And we are like, okay, should we do that? And my supplier offered me that opportunity. He said, like, whatever is left, let me know, I will pay you this amount of money for your recycles. So
We are
we get the
sending.
book from the same person, and then we process the books, and then we send the leftovers to the same person back, and then they give us credits.
Mhm.
So that is the tricks for the bulk business and needs to be done. Another thing is like in the book business, especially with the bulk, time is money. You cannot like sit on the books. You need to be always listing, scanning, and you need to get rid of as many books as you can in a shorter time period. It is really a teamwork to do it.
Yep.
So in order to get that, you must have the right tools. You must have a listing program. Like go to lister. So
Mhm.
it would be very fast to list. You need to have like a scanning software that needs to be very fast. So you need to find the right tools in order to thrive in the bulk business.
Yes.
Heck yeah. Well, I appreciate you guys coming on. And I know you guys are going to be on the Feed the Beast group calls each week. So if you guys want to maybe get your first shipment out the door to Amazon FBA, I have a completely free challenge below, Feed the Beast challenge. Or if you're already in the business, like Sophia was, and she just wanted to challenge herself to send more profitable inventory to Amazon FBA, you can also join the Feed the Beast challenge. This is a group of like-minded Amazon sellers. We all come together 100% free each week and share what's working in our businesses. And you'll get access to free, probably 100 plus videos in my course. All that's below. And I see Sophie Books here. Do you have a social media for that?
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't even know that. So we'll put all your social media below and all the other videos that we've shot together below as
So
well.
actually, yeah, it's pretty new. It's just
Yeah.
1 week or 2
Yeah, 1 week,
weeks.
something
On
like
Instagram?
going to
Yeah, the Instagram too.
Let's
But
blow up the Instagram, guys. Let's get her
not
to 50 followers.
yeah, it is like Sophie Z books book something
Yes.
like
Okay.
that.
I'll get that from you guys and we'll link that in the.
She's trying to get to go to branding and she's getting her stuff ready.
Mm-hmm.
And she has like sophiebooks.com website.
Oh, nice.
It is not ready. It is not effective right now. We have just the
website itself.
the URL, but it is not the effective working.
Okay.
Yet.
Well, I'll link that and I'll be sure to shout that out in all the other videos we shot. And if you guys like Sophia and Aaron, we actually shot 2 other videos with them. So I'll link those below too. So thank you guys so much for coming on.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.